Hello and good day everyone. I am Nikhil Sharma from the GMBA October 2020 batch and my specialization is consulting management. Our batch came to Dubai, UAE in October 20 and while we were supposed to spend only 4 months here in Dubai, due to the COVID related restrictions in Sydney, we ended up spending almost 9 months here. And during this time, we could observe a lot of social, political, and economic landscape of this wonderful country. Let me just share my experience based on the PESTEL framework. Now, as we all know, that PESTEL is an analysis tool or rather a framework which is used to analyze and monitor the microenvironmental factor for any organization. The PESTEL actually stands for P is political, E is economic, S is social, T is technological, E is environmental, S is and L is legal. Now I'll just share my own experience of UAE and let me just analyze how does the PESTEL framework works actually for me about this country UAE. Thank you. When it comes to political factors, it was for the first time that I came to know that UAE actually is a part of the GCC and it is composed of 7 different Emiratis, and that's why it is a very unique country, a different and a unique country in itself. All the 7 Emiratis have different organization, and thus it gives a lot of flexibility in terms of the management of this entire country. This country has very good political relationship with most of the countries, including the Western countries and of course India. And when it comes to the political factors, also it is one of the main factors that this country has a good and because of better political relationship, it really has a very strong GDP. Now coming to the economic factors, UAE has one of the highest per capita income or the GDP in the world. The unemployment rate in this country is really low, and also it has among the highest foreign direct investment in the world. Now coming to the third factor, which is the social factor, this is really a very interesting fact. The country has a population of almost 1 crore, out of which only 11 lakhs are the Emiratis and the rest are the expats or the foreigners. So that, and also the country has people from more than 200 nationalities. So it has a very diverse social fabric as compared to the rest of the world. Globalization is really the mainframe of this country. And also a very important factor is that despite being an Islamic country, people from all different religions actually practice a lot of freedom in this country. Technologically side, people are really tech savvy. It has many technological countries in the world, Amazon, and most of the automobile sector, they have a very strong hold in this company. In this country, and really it is one of the benchmarks of how a desert island can actually become a powerful country in terms of technology in the world. Coming to the legal factors, this is one of the key essential features that I personally feel. Legal framework is really important here. People follow legalities very sincerely, and this is one of the very positive sides of this country. Now coming to the last factor is the environmental factor. Yes, it's an arid country, a desert island, and really the summers can get really heated up, and so it is the only weak point which I found in this country. As far as the business environment is concerned, as I just mentioned, that this country has expect from almost 200 nations, one of the highest per capita income in this world. So the business environment is very professional, and personally with the help of the GL learning, we went to the Dubai Islamic Bank and we could also We also attended a lot of webinars, so that actually shows that how strong the business environment is in this country has. And for me personally, the most beautiful part was when we attended the cultural center in Dubai. That actually shows us about the overall heritage of this country, and it was a very wonderful and an interactive session that we had with a gentleman over there who clearly told us about the do's and don'ts in this country in terms of politics, in terms of religion, and of course in terms of the business environment. And I think it was really a wonderful session arranged by Miss Meghna throughout our stay in Dubai, and we really had a wonderful time because of the GL committee, and uh, especially due to Miss Meghna. So that's it from my side. Thank you.